Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial section we are going to create our own picture edit. Let's first add a picture edit and let's check it what we are going to change. Let's run it. First I just want to, instead of no image data, I will say no picture. I will change this text, and when we focus it I want to change back color as a light shine. And the third one, we have here like a menu. I just want to disable this menu. And also, for example, when we add a image here, let's say from desktop, let's say this image, I just want to make it stretch, you know, like image here. We have a size type, for example, stretch. It will cover only my image inside this one. Let's try it again. As you see, that is something like this. We'll do it. And also we enter it, it will go to the move next control. Let's delete this one and let's go from Solution Explorer, right click here, add class, and then we'll say my picture edit, and then I set this one to public. And then from attributes I add toolbox item, and then it will be inherited from PictureEdit. And let's come to the properties from constructor. First we said that when we focus it we want to change the back color. This is first. Secondly, when there is no text we want to write no image. Null text, here I will say no image. And third one, I want to change the forecolor of no image. From properties, then from appearance, then forecolor, I will say maroon. And then we say we'll show no menu. Properties, show menu, I will set it false. And another one, we said that like the size mode will make a stretch. Properties, size mode, and then stretch. And lastly, we'll overwrite our enter move next control. We'll set it as a true. Let's build this one and let's check it right here. My picture edit, this is my picture edit. As you see that the color has changed as a maroon, and also we changed the text is no image. And let's run it. When we enter, is a back color also is changed. When we right click, there is no menu. And also when we enter, it will move to the next control. For example, also we change the size mode. I click here, all properties, and here what we have changed, it is usually is bold, sorry, this one it was, I think, never something, or auto. For example, show menu, we set it false, and size mode as see straight, and null text is no image. And here for color we set it maroon, and when we focus it is light shine. This is like this. Thanks for watching guys, see you in next video. Please subscribe my channel.